Hi everyone, it's Miriam. Welcome back to another video. Today we're crocheting these bow keychains. They are cute and super easy to make. Now let's get started. For this project, you will need any color of yarn, 5mm crochet hook, yarn needle, scissors, and finally keychain clasp. First, start with making a slip knot. Now chain 21. And now we've just made our 21 chains. To start the first row, we're going to make single crochets into every stitch. Insert your hook into the second chain from your hook, right here. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over and pull through those two loops. And this is our first single crochet. Now insert your hook into your next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat this until the end of the row. And now we've just finished our first row. Before moving to the next row, chain 1 and flip your work. To start the second row, insert your hook into the first stitch, right here. It should be under the V shape. Insert your hook into the stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. Let's do it again. Insert your hook into the stitch. Yarn over, pull through. yarn over, pull through 2. Repeat this until the end of the row. Now we've just completed our 2 rows of single crochets. It should be 20 single crochets in total. To complete the first part of the row, go ahead and make 2 more rows. Now the first part of the bow is finally ready. It should be 4 rows of 20 single crochets in total. Make sure to cut a long enough strand of yarn because you will need it to tie the 2 pieces of bow together. Now use your hook to pull the yarn through, then tighten it up. And we've just made the top piece of bow. After that, go ahead and make another piece exactly like this. And now we've just finished our second piece, which is the tails of the bow. What we're going to do now is to weave in those 2 strands of yarn of the tails part. Now let's grab the yarn needle and sew the ends of the top piece together. Now make a knot to secure your work more. Now grab the long strand of yarn and wrap it around the back. Make sure it's right in the middle. Now go ahead and tie a knot with the other strand of yarn right here. Then tighten it up. After that, wrap the long strand around one more time and make another knot. Make sure to tighten it up good. I'm going to make 2 more knots. This is how the back looks like, and this is the front. Before connecting the 2 pieces together, we're going to fold the tail piece in half to find the center. Then we're going to fold the 2 sides down just like this. Now we're going to grab the top part from the back and connect it to the tail part in the middle. Grab the long strand of yarn and start wrapping around both pieces a couple of times. Now make a knot and tighten it up using the other strand. And yay, this is the finished result of our cute bow. Now grab the loose strands of yarn and start weaving in. Now grab the keychain clasp and connect it into the top part right here. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe and leave a comment if you really like my tutorial. See you next tutorial. Bye.